time we benya platform na wa end up na didi amanfo atem nti ye no ha no enya atem didi na yebedi nemo issue no ye de beto a na ya dwena ho na ye bobo ho na ye hu said the beya ebetumi akoye ni nti mu a register in global na so beda mo ase na no say we go put a little effort na ye netumi akoye ni na ye to so biom ye ye nua ba Rashida Black Beauty am say oya ba oya ye nua ye program interview no Ghana for binom eba the age bi be boa no kakra ye nso betumi ye de boa no mo bo ade adom wawo am so 29th on 29th am say ye nua ba Rashida mo bo ade adom wawo ha ne ba no ne wawo baby girl kama 29th April ya no way da oba be nche okumase a awo ka no na osresere we kire wona ya ka kitwe bi anko ya wo ato so nti ya do ba de ase ye nua ba no wawo na ye sister na o seni sikama Rashida e dia hide so oda wase o sene ndam nyina ase mu a mo mpa e ma no ti am say futuo kakra dia ma no so say o fe futuo no na o hwe ne ho yie so an say nyama bebre wo wa ye pese ye de boa na obey a better person e ma de busua e de ma o man Ghana kakra ye so betumi ana ye so ye nti Rashida Black Beauty so oda mu nyina ase mo a mo boa no mo a mo didi na tem nyina oda mo ase enche no better nka wo baby girl kama nti o so oda mu nyina ase oda mo ase bebre oda mo ase pa nti CSF wo ne enye CSF wo nko na boa Rashida nkremofo bi e frɛ boa no e kristofo bi frɛ boa no sa na wo se ye wiase eduru ba bi a yemfa ye gidie nto nkyɛn na wo se ye boa obi a na ya boa akoda asami so da ase oda ase sami mu a mo support ne yanka ndura wo se oda ase pa CSF wo kristofo nkremofo a mo send donation sa na ye be ye wiase ne be better imagine a world without religion imagine a world without Islam and Christianity and any religion. Just imagine how the world will look like. Religion and I say yes. For until topic nonsense in the churches. But when in person this topic because it will sound as if I'm insulting. It will be in the house of God or the house of your prophet. I saw na mokono. Nyankopon fie anamaso for the fie. Say Nyankopon fie dia. Everything must be in the interest of your God and not in the interest of the prophet or the pastor. Yes. The mamati say asole no matibida. Nyankopon frɛ obia. Nyamedwuma no ɛyɛ ɔpɛ. Ye obi ni wo ba. Ko fa so ye nyamedwuma no say ne ho kyerɛ no. Ne ho kyerɛ na wo say it is the easiest way to make money. Yes. Now wa pɛ Bible quotation yen say bi obi wa natural na no ate. Nto ni se betumi akasa. It is a Bible quotation by Kumi and Sebia. Let me about Bemuna, Mediatia Sole. And you have been so what? Or to quite Buchri. Now, and Koyen or bar, now, or Pisca, not the two speakers, any instrument. Or bar, no more about the Bia Soleno, or one year software, or Bia Solena. No, a copper or software, no near software or aqua contract. Say, a solely a media, but who now their software when Nimia Libaya Soleno. They will seek the piano, ye betcha. Any more fit your quite a brain, son of a only religious, only Bible Nimudada, and Mumunia or Pesse. Dachi, may Yama Namakidom and the American. Eighteen Yankupon Frobia, say Yankupon friend, number 14 years, Yankupon friend Debbie, or like I said, Yankupon friend Yoma. God doesn't speak to anyone, not even Moses, not even Abraham. Yankupon Yankasa, and Yakope. Now say, over the penalty as well now. No one dodgy when Yankupon Jesus Yechi, not if you know at the yard you are more pay. It is a who's taking your Mercosona. Who said Debbie? I didn't know then it will be the personal work. We are not here insulting God. The God you see in religion doesn't exist. Maybe you never better me. I say, and send me a coswa or share so for Usubempa and so for Kubi. Never be a coso or you be about one thing. Say also for be a gay, near family. Say so for be a near family and the personal life. By a na ya address issue no se mo so Nyankopon dia momma edwuma na mo ye no enidie embra ene bishop obini ne me bia oye ene reverend bofo no ye me bia o mo ya Ghana for paying na nkasa de bia meka sebe when take it time abet na ne we did paying for Ghana for paying for free president and the ministers anyone mo yes civil servants e ye duwa dem o man no yes mo ma de na say sebe adwini ani muti that's what we are seeing obetu say sebe adwini ani muti asofo ni bi e din sanfun wo Ghana na what you know na what you know because so ya asofo ama mu bi ko akwache mpai bo eti e bebe. But before I make issue with this one, the person can was first. Yenya Bema Ernest Opoku, musician, Nayas one, Nayas Obano, our movie. Me Obano Caminino, minimum Obano, and yet issue like a minimum. On issue, I'm saying the video be found. I am not here to condemn Ernest Opoku or Yenipa. Oyenipa obetumi afon mistake awaye me ma yebida abortion ye na ya committee bida ya ti asole ne ma dada enti e no enye issue enye story e na sofo bi asole pen bi e no betu na ho abeka se me start nyamedwuma na Kristo bi afrika se e me yere nkwa na me natena obi ate fa Emma Samuel ma me ka no branche Emma no obi ape Emma pe no obi ni je ho na de obi yi nanim no na aka de obi yi nanim se me humanizer na aka every man say humanizer but ebi ne didi ebi echi ebi dia de to say jimi kakra enti I don't have problem with him having sex abortion those things enye no na trend bi kosoa say Kristo ni bi ye bone pe no dia kwahye bonsam esa bonsam no oni kama phobia etu ni kwahye bonsam a na nipa na ye free na afa ye blame devil enti audio na ba out na yas kasa no obo edi bi wo odidi Ernest Opoku atem obo edi bi say Erikus na Erikus no na ya kofa another problem dia ba amanfo adwen ne say a musician Eriku esno Erikus no so Eriku of mental fame na Eriku of mental fame why madam enti enura na me ne di nkomo na Eriku of mental fame o dey say me ne di nkomo all those say o wasole ni me di nkomo o hia futu am de man me hyere den e wo nyem wo tumu ene ade osima no nti ase say enye onu ni di na ya asebo ye ebi no adwen say eye ono Eriku enye Eriku of mental fame na ya asebo ni di no it may clear no e de ma me nwa be ma Eriku ye na enya bofo ye na betu na ye mistakes but mistake ne ba e wo say ye jitum and wo say blame bonsam eno na sa so for bi kura ko din sanfo di din sanfo na police kura chena na o say enyame e ye bonsam enso so for e bra mu butu oba no so e bra unkodi won sanfo no enye bonsam e na lidi o dabi enye bonsam na tie condom na no ma enye bonsam na ko buki hotel enye bonsam na frɛ oba no wo dial oba no number enye bonsam e na dial number no it is about time Christians must learn how to accept fault and stop shifting blame asa say maye bone Ghana from me bone nche na me nipa asa ede ne no mpai ma etu be Kristo ni a wo bo mpai bebrebe gade afei mamembo short ibina monsha de say see ade eagle prophet say deliver Ernest Opoku now it is a very disgraceful and shameful act yes what there can deliverance mobo wow the video na chance on Ernest Opoku waye bone wenu ne ho ye say deliver no bi abaji Yesu dia oh no bi abaji Yesu dia why abode foforo ayi Yesu di na bishi moja aworo ho dey na o say sample deliverance bi oh when the man what yes religion was invented no over Yesu mu why abode foforo it ye dey na bonsam ne nsaka wo everything comes to choice free choice oh ayi man so hwenim guase Ernest Opoku na so for ne man so e get prophet man so or say deliver why when you about say you are another when Bonibian you owe the woman apology say me ne wada and me say ma usika say kwa ya abortion na me didi wa tempo say me ka say kwa ya abortion see what you say na bo oba ne chem we are audio na ba abonte no the pre Christopher na say Christopher me a gospel musician
yo
Well, the program na phone na chao. Me a gospel musician, na me a nipa, na em say me na oye wo nipa ho. Na me sra me na mind born Ghana for mo for me born in China. Na me hwe me hu yie na e be nsi biom. E no na ya for so a ye body deliverance o. When deliver for Ben womb, yes, we deliver that. Who say yes, you crowd to me, we deliver that. And I will crowd to you, and I won't know great deliver me. And when you don't need deliverance, they care no or more ever G2 instead of a G2 or the pagan of fortune, obedience. Yaman, when you have Mubasum Yanko, among some, that can answer. 7 Yankopon, Munyankopon or Hokra, some Yankopon on free Jibifu, or friend Majumba, or young will be only Munyansa, or Nancy. Many cemeteries, so yeah, nobody bet me at Yasa, better than Maso Ghana. Oh, yeah. Now I did. The internet, a truth sometime. Let me person play me old teachings when I was Pastor Lee. The name, and one level, and what worth, and one match, and one craft. My one topic be on abortion. Ube men, unless you didn't see Pastor Lee. Says, I'm not dropping Moshe. Only a very long Pastor Lee because the name Pastor and the person that excuse me, when you want to say a criminal name, you should have seen Pastor Lee. Oh, tell you a baby say, now, my recognize it to say Jet Lee, and then Barbara James, and then Bruce Lee, yeah, me appreciate him no matter what, say, me disprove me. Oh, free choice of the call. See, Madame Nasi, you're not a long way, and you want to see a problem. I'm still your father. Only you be able to your friend, and you'll be a number. And I that's why I did see what Jimmy Chebe do and Pensui, any P Black, any more market now, any brother Ben, any veteran, no, any more market now. Mama, any easy, granting. Eti Ernesto Poku over confess now they be okay obi I'm not here to judge him. They are here to analyze. No yet na so dey to echire mafo. Ya nya some mistake no. Stop blaming the devil. Why? Any
in a diaboto in some days if I buy, you know, what you say. There's some I will catch your fans, and just show woman crying. I left it almost spirit, you know. Hi, I mean, cousin, any pana a bonnet and a so book me yes rubber for. Na Bible says, what in any Bashia same prince and a radibesa apijana. Mr. Empire free and a so book of fans are soft for mom pie mammy. Not a random family, so a sons of bonnet for any son. Dear Oma Moya Unyanko Padmano, no more a year, any fake Yazano. And so, dear Beba, and so a radi be here free more. In Tinipanamo Empire Ma and the Sopoku, not Unyanko Ponko, some family now. And the Sopoku Fuma and Tracy be and one. A radi beside in it. Now make catcher and say, Yan Shay, where you're no more yet to do. Obonefo or Batty say, where you're wise, and I'm quite baby so. A bit my famaso, a bit me Akofesi Castle, a bit my fed just any of my baby. And so Yama in Naho. Now, me, if you know quick, my mamma at the whole my brabo, Masha Eradi. It's answered the young copon becano, and a cray. Eradi shroud, I'm a strampa, but Mum Pie and Tamachi. Sounds a man holding to me yet. Abraham did the Aminum Swedia, me when I'm Nimuja. Say Eradi, I want the Bamswa, and Yama Ebessa. So what was the way forward right now? They say, you know, and your Maushagana Asia and on air trend day when in Ayas, what's the way forward to your fans and now fans episode Muanka Sankasa? Oh, dear, me what I can answer. My engineering and Armenian Copon, a Radin and Dihine, a Radina and Casa, nipa ho di ntumi nya hwe nipa nya minisika metuatua ma obia se nipa nya no mo enkama sama me de mom sam de ma Awurade a onyankopɔn wo kyɛn bibia ɛno ne asema me ka so about say wa worry and I worry and so rumor no be claim my kakra pacho and so pokun wale and so poku ni yero bebia and so poku is single obi obaka say and so poku wa yiri bia oboa e fake e azan and so poku ni remegina fidie so aka and so poku mawale a enkam shekawa me wale ye and so poku me mawale atwam that about o man so no betima my the number no man me pacho me ma eye mienu o me yetu se woni ma 16 obaby pacho enya no kre woni ma 32 obaby pacho enya no kre ni passe ye pa e ansem
yo I wish you for em say ye bra Ernest Opoku na ye tie the convention and the convention o be so o say ye mompa ye ma no number 1 obi no be bom pa ya ma dabi we ye bone a enye mpa ibo na wo hia enye mpa ibo ye bom pa ye bi ama sabe sabe prebiasa ye wa na akoji wani sabe ugutu oba no so no wa na wo enjoy I won't go and commit this bisa ya uda ni people wo de wa me budget li number fa na bisa me set me date asole ba me fancy o this one no ti ano we have to learn how to live real lifestyle me date oba me more who said again I was dating girls who were not church members. Me to me jomo kraba no better than church member. That's me. I don't lie. And number 2, say me mistake. This one na me wife for yeah sorry. And I'm mansa. And he said, no be and a chill say me mansa ni. Me no better so mansa so me mansa ni. My mistake. I'm not mistake in there. Actually, I didn't blame the devil. Say nipa. Nipa who try a mistake. What kwaji when you hear say you won't pay about. There be your mom pay the amount. And number 2, the men pen say be me bonsam. And then bonsam they describe the situation. Nyankopon they describe the situation. Who na am robber e be wiawa yawuda e no ye shower. Bonsam pacho bonsam be wi ananipa o pe aduma no obi boa na o ka se Ewurade me dasia why dey Ewurade no nipa no boa no enti nyame Satan ye describe the situation enti oba ne da no a wo na akoda no o ka se eye bonsam a ene wo ne bonsam no because who na wo decide e na akokoye sa na so na wo ya de papa anke be fra ne ya po abaso se la ya de wo ma ye hu se de be ya ye be ti ye mfum so de atu ne ye nipa ene na metiwa ni teaching crofo ye fa de se wo china no pa o china bi o be ti o social media no bi dia beto Abraham bin Moshe ayewe Abraham bin Moshe ayese what should I do? Say me give far. I don't owe anybody. The man said because people follow you and they want to know your side of the story. They can't pray. Oh, we shall for a yellow crack. My name mum saint in a bag. Oh, we shall for a yellow crack. A catch us all. Asa, there is nothing blaming the devil. Yes, my person. More Bible no. Until the year we go to Bible Monty Asa. But the more book no. But the Proverbs chapter 19 verse 3. When we not for mistake, na ka say na couple. And na for mistake, na ka say someone. Say ti wa Bible. Proverbs 19:3 kind.
Proverbs 19:3.
Proverbs chapter 19 verse 3.
Was onipa jimisem.
Be black, pacho. Be black. Well, we say I'm not for you. Pacho, you na come and say.
Proverbs 19:3.
Proverbs chapter 19 verse 3.
Was onipa jimisem.
Osi onipa ejimisem.
Echinchini kwan.
Eni onipa one kasa we jimistio. There is a little bit of madness in all of you, in all of us. No say I am mad at you. Yes. Then I am abodan kakra. The one for Kenny Pana abodan me nyede. I said Jimmy kakra will be am. Me say who person Jimmy a me Jimmy a chao. Because me Jimmy kakra bi ho. Ni pe na young person be gentle. Who did not tell one you. Yeah. So what I say, it can say
was onipa jimisem chinchini kwan.
It was onipa ejimisem na ti mu no. Eya ejimisem no. Eno na mai echinchim bia kwan.
Na kuma ehuti Ewurade.
Na kuma ehuri etia Ewurade. Jimro na kan. Le kwa do se Ewurade o. Wo wan try she Ewurade. Wo de ko she bonsam. Kan
Proverbs 19:3.
Proverbs chapter enye na to poku kwanti na make am. Sa na aba be say nipa bia so ye nkremoni kro ye mistake. O say enye me na ye Satan. Nipa ya ko sa na nipa fa no. Ya bi
Proverbs 19:3.
Proverbs chapter 19 verse 3.
Some people ruin themselves.
Some people ruin themselves
by their own stupid actions.
And
then blame the Lord.
Yeah. That is a young can say, well, action they are stupid.
Yes.
Don't blame the Lord.
Yeah.
Don't blame the devil. Accept the blame.
Yes.
Yes. And they are told to be a day like was said in the Stopokuaye. And Proverbs chapter 23. One said, we accept the truth wherever it comes from. The inventors of your Bible, the catcher said, baby in Yansasem Gupano, a Proverbs and a Ecclesiastes. Yeah. And when you go to action in Yansasem, Proverbs chapter 28, verse 13.
Proverbs 28:13.
That's a mistake. There are mistakes in the Ekintano. Nobody will have said, my bonnet ended. Your mistake be a young lady. Then there's to put quiet. Some of us, your West Cratchel.
Yes.
Some of us, your West Cratchel.
Yes.
Another one, your mistake, but ended binti, Ubenya, not the other candidate. And two can not call the other very careful.
Yes.
I'm not here to condemn him. By your generation, need the tree and awful. People like I said.
Proverbs 28:13.
Proverbs chapter 28, verse 13.
Was the Okata not so?
And it was say, well, be a mistake. Now, Bekata will matter, will mistake is on.
Or your prom.
Oh, yeah, prom.
Now, dear Okano Jano.
Now, you'll be no Becca, your Becca, no better. People like upon the point, man, can I say that?
Was the Okata not so?
What? Obekata will mistake is on.
Or your prom.
Or your prom.
Now, dear Okano Jano.
Now, your kind of one in our giant.
Obey,
yeah. And you don't blame anybody, can you giant? Can you Proverbs chapter 28, verse 13.
Verse number 13.
We are Christian, for me. Why? I am sounding the wake up call. Yes. Now, there is everyone that support it. Now, what's your camera? Especially I know for. Move between these who are going to have out. Every see that. You must start now. Let's see, time will come.
Proverbs 28:13.
Proverbs chapter 28, verse 13.
You will never succeed in life.
You will never succeed in life
if you try to hide your sins.
Okay, if you try to hide your sins,
confess them,
and
give them up,
and then
God will show mercy on you.
God will show mercy on you.
Yeah.
It's a kind of jai. I said, don't blame the devil. And I would see interview anymore. It didn't say you be a man. Ghana for your penny didn't say. Just see, I'm not for now. And then there's Topoku, San here, and or your baby, and they said, why you make us say, oh, yeah. By your penny didn't say to. And then the class say, oh, Mama, 16. Oh, now, oh, only. Or say, well, now, I'm sorry, I'll let you jai. Well, I'm jai. Let that say, I will let you go, Yan. Also, only ma 16. And to Ghana for a desire, a year. Finally, because my baby, and I found him Moshe, and on him, my baby now. Me or baby a man in the obel. Me perma to baby a man in the so permitting a better. It's one man also. Well, and I'm proud of my children. Yeah. Yen jai a desire. Dear woman, man can. Yen jai, na Ghana for a come hold. Until Mr. Poku Diakakra, make an idiot to a home and only after my yako and that topic. So, I'm here. I'll say, starting. Yemi abema Bishop Obini. Debia mekasa Bishop Obini. Oyemi ni amebe. Oyemi bra amebe. But said you nipa ye mistake ya. I was say a catcher. Oh yeah. Me tweet now. Mama dream say inti solid bi. Ete say Bishop Obini ma solid. But I solid paying for a while. This is the question I'm asking. Oh yeah. You share the programs are. You move papa for any man phone penny 40 I saw them. Oh yeah. It's Miss Remo. It is a Odin 7 4. Move me friend. Another son. Nearly over ya. Saturday. Nyan Sabi and the make catch up saying Yankupo on free Jimmy for Malachi chapter 2, verse 7.
Malachi 2:7.
Malachi 2 Yankupon private phobia on phobia. Yes. Because Bible name Jimmy phobia no Yankupon friend. But your Daniel, according to the Bible, no name answer. But your Daniel, no name answer. But your Shadrach, Meshach, Abednego, no name answer. But your Moses, no Jimmy. According to the Bible, Elijah, no Jimmy. Story na ya tra mo no uti ya tum say enyansafo e na Nyankopon fra wo na asofo ni bi mo jimi toto kan
Malachi 2:7.
Malachi chapter 2 verse 7
was the source for anokredum de
o say wo ye sofo a esese wano ano na Nyankopon de ama wo wano ekura nimde knowledge o ka kasa ye picking nansasem any common sense everywhere no SSL sofo osotie de make catch no SSL sofo wano ekura nimde
o hwe emra fi nanumu
na ye hwe emra law menyewe jewe we ye papa we ye bone even if Christianity e correct ya asofo anka meka se mo nko mo asole eye bia sofo muje any akwesi ewua any apostle Cadme any abiata John J nyame boss any sofo adakwa sofo adakwa me na sofo adakwa some profile na kamu ndio muchi no mo wa kan the ball and come
was the sofo anu kanim de
SSL was sofo wano ekura nimde
o hwe emra fi nanumu
na ye pe emra efiri gbanum
you say
efiri say
as a friend go for no
osofo bia ye angel na wo obi ne wo jira say o kwa na ye angel means messenger angel and say o want man a only Gabriel ko din ko ya da bishop obi ne tira say o no bo angel Gabriel charge na members see them o mu nya no I don't blame Obinimu, I blame the members. Yes. What on what doing? I don't remember what baby or not very to matter. Oh, some madam who watch it. Who is house or baby? Everything matter. And I catch her. So for penny can have. I will to make number new. When it comes to the Bible,
yes.
Oh, no, what the so for also the back as about family debates. But to me, now the Bible need be guanam. No pastor, no pastor, no prophet, nobody. That already I judge na no ye organize 3 days debate or kasi the wia or that's not debate one of ya sending message Obedia is looking for you mo ko kan tell Obedia say ye be debate no or kasi me ko still wia or no be ko still or ye ban na or share platform say akwa na some drop mo nyankopon or debate on the God of the Bible on na be ko better be and guide the finish Emmanuel Misa or friendly debate. Oh, you are solely paying I don't debate church elders.
Yes.
Debbie, my so for one said, common sense CEO and how friend you.
Yes.
Bible name mercy, Dino Suarez now friend. To make a shaking material, be a man.
Oh, Debbie.
No fan your tea apple, to patch out. Pentecost are solely paying your study. And the Church of Christ also for now. Your fellow, Emisa, said so for Emisa. Or what? Cape Coast was attacked by them. Why your videos, baby, I found out. Me patch out, me help debate. Papa. Now, I'm saying for a while, yes, Sanka. Church of Christ for one country will pay me Emisa. Now, on free debate. Or your video be with TV so other family. Oh, I'm shaking material. Why? Nobody can stand me. Nobody. Not even a Jewish rabbi. Me Jimmy, who did you? Adentia. We filled here with wisdom. Wisdom now, your mother. Yes, he like cannot yesterday.
Yes, if you can so amane.
And so say I saw for the requirement so amane.
Moment to be something rana.
Moment baby I had something rana. And you should be who obi ma saw them. Mo na mo sunti unim Yankopon ma. Esa say mo si dem want to say puppet and you control.
Yes.
Can I?
Was it Naman Selewi Apamano?
And I must say Levi Apamano.
As a friend no see.
Yankopon that's here.
It means so.
Yankopon says in some phone moody. Anyone who go I saw them. No use so nonsense. One Yankopon say and
was it in so?
And only Yankopon so.
Mamma knew it was it.
Mamma knew it was it. Oh, that's all for me. Oh, somebody was. Can't get it. I'm on top. Obi can say Jesus is stupid. My body actually ampa obi can because who Jimmy obi din not be now we are unless to present.
Ko me de bebro. Ne juada ne banada na me hia wo kru madana mo different person. Me dana me ho akola ketoa. Me sra wo 10 Ghana. Me hwese wutiri mo odin a. Wuti mu nya den wo de maame. Na me say we ni papa.
Okay.
And there was a me de ade ne che no. Me sa dana me ho be ma panyini. And I'm saying, Mammy 5 Ghana. Miss Array, we any papa. Nams, and I was a mediaman. Nams, so I chame 5 from there. Show me lotto number. Nekucha. Abra lotto number, the mouse, ebe bo. Namedemawa was a main number. Ubuofu.
Also, the Sicano, so many pano.
And Najunan was a band the time, and I said, was one day. Me engine obini madame who ni pebi bound chair for Seka. Eja mawa was a 1 year. She said number nabo. I'm penumana number the boy.
Jesus Christ.
Jim Pacho de Bifachem.
Ushu well show memo why. Eti mon pesiment ba kon swano. Eni nsu otwa dia no afrim. Enso ntoya. On fan so an kopem bo fe bi janse ne so. baby a taxi for no one na onsan nanti free kwan ho mbra oba pe mesa ka number for fregu na sum sesia.
That's right.
No akutwa eti mo fa video camera ba ko entolo so
enti wa ne desment ba ko ebeyire obey na dofo wa o hwe obey bi ni tifie du na cement yire no a bra sister what the nante ya almost 2 months and I walk on ade nyina asan no da so ko eyizo next time uko busho bi dem asore ne ma olutu na ma na wa wa next time ka fa ye be so wa ka na wo draw so dem na wa o hwe be makura wa ji age ni film say wait ya de ni si twen no sister o to from no wa wu hey 50 kilos enye easy. Have you been punished to carry a bag of cement to walk 2 miles?
And we have some of the video no. They be kind of video we want here. Young Pasiasem, and Pasiasem one. I was like a Christian Council of Churches. Mumpa out, Ebeka City as Assembly.
Oh, yeah.
What you want now? Means Ghana human rights for from her. You're paying for the out of that. Oh, my man planning. Oh, let's see a time will come. Most Ghanaians will be fed up with this beautiful country. Now you judge your mama. As I say, Yansa, I did my movie. Who better could be some Pasiasem way? Ever Britain. Who better could be Pasiasem way? Kuwait, some in Jimmy same way in the name of God. After the not to your after they are so for number autonomous. Are so for number autonomous. They are not to Bonnie Bonnie, we are addicted to it and a bit affected by Kasa. And that's why the Bonnie of you, and you only a baby who seek an hour much. We the Bonnie here. Now, I saw from a Bible verse there. And with the quote, when they condemn Lotuka, and your bonnet, also saw for them Emma Lotoma, and you mean Avram bin Moshe, and the person I was saying, Lotuka, Yabunia, and the Christo for another Dimata, all the matter for me. Say, I'm not done the money back, no, I done the Wakada, no, I done it, so from the to me, Danny be open. Where are you pack? Where are you pack?
Jeremiah chapter 22.
Jeremiah 22:13.
Verse 13.
And what they condemn Lotto channel. The Lotto will be American lottery. And they would check out Bruce. Ban Africa, they are not friendly Lotto. And you will need here, move friendly lottery. One said about
Jeremiah 22:13.
Jeremiah chapter 22 verse 13.
Was it the offer of quietness so?
Or say who are Obefa or quiet emptiness of
a fee.
Now the actually fee.
Now this is in a bounce row.
Now or the NCC is in a bounce row.
Now a man young queer Jumakwa.
Any of your man in young queer Jumakwa.
Not from the kitchen man.
No one from the kitchen man. Only black anyway. And never can be but we'll see okay. But verse because Jeremiah or sit your pet at the end. Na one for quite personal et se for hwede a go butu enkosia enye wono no to yeso obepuni na mufa na eti no do se oyo kwasia enu ye no to asem eye obi a obeso oya de ode kalabule krono epo bobenya 17:11 Jeremiah chapter 17 verse 11 kan ho ma
Jeremiah 17
se nyansa aba asofo na common sense family de be kire mu nyansa kan na
Jeremiah 17:11
Jeremiah chapter 17 no wa kwa so nyama akosua cement say cement bag yo bẹ́ẹ̀ ma no oje cement bag ya de ketwa wọ́n lè nipa nanti de ko chiaba say wọ́n ma no to normal spiritually when twa and wo pa na se no me say mo ho frama na ebo mo na me ho aso fa so na ye den ababa saboto ma to mo nyansa mo be nye jimi fo no me control mo say aso cement next time articulate na abeso a wo shade a we be no say mo si mo sue nyansa kai
Jeremiah 17:11
Jeremiah 17:11
was it the upper nya
o say wo a ope ade na wenya
na onya ntin ne so
na wenya no tin ne so
o say akohwede
we no to what is say kokohwede
obutu ko say no to yeso
obutu kosia enyo no to yeso
obebu ni mu fam eja
obebu ni mu fam eja
na wiye no obe kwasia
abese amrobesi a moko robi watakwa muko mo robo ade a mu jubilate one for kwel paso also here scan police asache and one robo who dey sit down who dey aye japade ya nchew one day ubewu no why den we ja and work and yellow to ase nti afa so for na autonomous ya fento na pacho Ghana human rights for the same thing ho and Reverend Bofo also nkodala a obo nkodala ni beyi
oh yeah
mun say child abuse when say we abuse of human rights. Obi mame, obi niaba, waba sorry. What no to na when ka. Now so cement bag. Then the company for one so you. Na ensanfuni nonsense no. Those organ habito. Any aso dem nko a ensanfuni dey too much. Ade mutu kwan. Eti mutu kwan na mo ko dan na ho ba. Mutu kwan kwa brochira. E dey na mo ko shula brochira so be fie no. Ke ye mu bi mo akoma de yenda o. Ye ghetto boys. Me ni wo ghetto. Enti trick bi e no be yi nya wo be nya. Me be tue ma so da. Me ma ye dreadlocks da. Ma pro football da. Ma tena ghetto da. Ya ko ma pe da. Ye din sanfo wi asi na bi da. Me ganja pe na man try. Ganja pe. Any drugs na man try. Na me kwasi asi mo wi asi na ya try da. The person who know say we've been through a lot and we survived through good means.
Yes.
Yes. Now no Ghana my name says Ghana phone pay for now. No sabi a chilima man be we are obeying ye sabi previous and ye jibisa. What I hear about come? Dear Jimmy say na musa go so dem. Obeka say Jesus is stupid. Me na me kan kan bubefu. Na obi ni so no betumi gina Nyankopon ebufuhia no. Ma ba wo no musua. Etie asofo ni be jim oni after capturing the people. So we capture the power being here. Even the nonsense you say makes sense. What capture the power being here? A Jimmy Sam club can it make sense. Tie do obi ni mo kan say Jesus is stupid. Make sure the into your cancer. It's true. Your uncle is stupid.
Yes.
Me na me kan ya, ka the whole Ghana tie. Hey. Me say, I tell you about you so. What me everybody. What the money dey into ho. Okay.
Ko me de bebro.
Anya we kura. Jesus is stupid. Tie, the into your cancer Jesus is stupid the munti.
Da me fire show to the doctor. Mo ma sia class ma da do be trouble. I can't see me the million. I don't say, go to me the million you have, but Jesus Christ for your stupid. Hey, Jesus Christ is stupid. Because I'm saying to follow punishment. The person, so much energy and I'm going to show up. Oh, yeah. Let me make sure 100%. So you be by me, only panning Panya, the man, Yamina the car. But the Nippani Yamina. I never told you, said, and more than you have to put you should be a lot. Now, I didn't want to see when you dinner on family. It is a work that not 100% right. Say, I said, no, I come up 100% right. Usually, the way I put it, the people will give a connection. No, good of the year. Let me say you should be food. Mamma, and you even send them who cast any cookie. Or what can be a casting them? Say, you'll never for that. Or look at your wife, sister. Or look at your time. John 54 was the empire of the supposed to be yes and bonus. Empire of 2 people are supposed to be China. Was saying if a woman should buy number of what some of them like a ball of color pass, the really you have a rule of the Lagasamas. When let's say your hand, the Bible, and so no one knows, give you a great deal of Mamma, you look at your wife. And for the opportunity of much to do that. As some of us started over 5 to 6 months. So I said, no one are branching.
Yeah, ebusiafo won say video na mo hwe answer Bishop Obini obeka say Jesus when to me anyesa or you stupid no na opeso tira say miracles no no ye ne nsenche ne no ye no so for bi ntumi nye bi me pa che wo adan say na me dwuma no eye Nyankopon bi dia adan na so for baako etumi claim say ono no all the powers na me na me power reverend bofo so no ye champion opa wo so na me champion we so na me champion say who here dwuma jama ni papa ko a be de mo am Bible be tell say mo asofo no omunim nyansa ba ho da hwe sanka mo nim nyansa Christianity muntie hwe Islam we won ceremony we preach area on my direction to a particular mosque na say ceremony preach area in ceremony preach area o say masalachi bi si kire ha ya fa masalachi Pentecost obi amra ho Your Masalachi Pentecost, your Methodist, your Masalachi Anglican, eti encremoni oko preaching here or say joining Islam. Yes, sir. In a nutshell, Islam is one.
Yes.
Me say me joining religion, me joining Christian. And make sense say what you know. It's like a Christopher. Muni say muni na mudi Jesus ba ko echi ya. And ka wo preaching here. The other say when you are for me preaching here. Asole bi na ede nako enso bi preaching bi pe woni ada for tie bi pa ma asole no e wo taifa blocky woni ada for tie bi o do faka o do station ba o be mu say ye pai osofo dunja me pa to faka o do osofo dunja bus stop wa me pa to brabodi kakra o be mu say polytank bi ho me pa to polytank na chi aso da bi ho enko ho o ra wa la o wa kem brabodi kakra sa so da le bon san headquarters e to ko wa nya den ade na musibu di Yankopon ba ko echi Ephesians chapter 4 verse 5 but the one Bible na sa chire mu nyansa na me ache free on ti ase eja kan ya ba bem
Ephesians chapter 4
verse
number 5
tie
wasi ewrade ba ko
osi ewrade Jesus ewrade ba ko
jidie ba ko
mu jidie ba ko
esubo so ba ko
ewrade ba ko jidie ba ko esubo ba ko eyede na mu papa First Corinthians chapter 12 verse 4 me say na numre na bo me all teachers me on abortion over power self me say ahoma check na me you will clap me Bible aputo can you just say
First Corinthians chapter 12
what TV so go power self but your sponsors na me na what why the post to say they your sponsors Christo ni be di matem me abram mo she me say ye yan mo akoti so udi di matem wọ́n ní àkókò náà wọ́n pàṣẹ fìtìbúrò bó bí asa to today wọ́n no one náà mọ̀ bọ̀. wọ́n Jesus every day di ẹni sẹ́sẹ̀ sẹ́ common sense kyerẹ́ sẹ́ wọ́n yàn mú a nípa nà bẹ́ẹ̀ dẹ̀ wọ́n yẹ juma wọ́n yẹ nípa wọ́n yẹ wàlẹ́ a wọ́n yẹ nípa wọ́n yẹ akwantu a wọ́n yẹ nípa adi a wọ́n pèsè ẹ̀fọ́ wọ polisi a wọ́n yẹ nípa wọ́n yẹ aban amani a wọ́n yẹ nípa common sense kyerẹ́ sẹ́ adi a wọ́n wọ́n di ntu no wọ́n fẹ́ wọ́n yẹ anoma yẹ dẹ́ ejibisẹ́m ẹnna kyerẹ́ wọ́n sẹ́ wọ́n yẹ anwa kasa buruye na papa bi wewe mo ba mo kan no tie
First Corinthians
chapter 12
verse number 4
mo be comment o le post asia mo di ejimi sem no e be chem say se bi asa oh how intelligent we are the same way that tell around say be jimi a e brutal kan no tie
what see adwache den gwa hodo
e ti mo tie Bishop Obini mo na mo club champion no mo tie mo Bible o si adoma che de ni gwa hodo
na so mo nko no a
na so the same spirit and na Yankopon ho so onya hantan
na
wo tumi ye bibi mpo sanka de mo ye ni firi Yankopon po a nyese mo di jimi sa
was na osmo djuma so gwa hodo
na osmo djuma no so gwa hodo
na so rade kro no a na jumodien so gwa hodo
na edjuma na ye di no nyame djuma mi I'm teaching on this verse as a Christian. First Corinthians chapter 12 verse 4 na osmo djuma no nyama mo ye no aso de me gwa hodo
na jumodien so gwa hodo
na jumedie no aso de jumedie no egwa hodo
na so Yankopon no a
na so Yankopon kro na
obi djuma wonyina mu
eyi Yankopon ba ko no e na di djuma no e wo members no mu nyina
na so mahom no yinu edi
hum ni jine nwedi
o mu bie mu
e wo members no obi biare
na ayeye na wona hom no so e ma obi nyansam ka
obi adoma chede e wo in Christianity e ye nyansasam ka
na obi so
o
ma nim disem ka
je ma no nim disem ka
se da won kro no a
se dia won kro na
ofron so
o ma
njidie
obi dia e ye jidie
won kro no emu
won kro na
obi so o ma anyaresa do ma chede
je ma no ayaresa do nti wo ayaresa do ma chede e ye da na wo kasa tia mo bi onu nim nyansa fa so kan
o so won kro no emu
won kro na
obi so o ma tumidie ye
je ma no tumidi the power to perform miracles
obi so o ma encomission
je ma no encomission
obi so o ma hom hudu mu ehunu
je ma no hudu mu
obi so o ma kasa hodo
je ma no kasa hodo
obi so o ma kasa hodo
je ma no kasa hodo nchira
na wonyina wasina wonyina ho nko no a
wonyina eye honhom kro na
na oye na achede na wasina ochema wonyina makoma
na ochema mu nyina makoma
se de ope
na yeda na meka se wo bia we no bia ntumi ye o be we ya si Jesus said there or you stop it Jesus drama kwanya or you stupid o said pacho Jesus is stupid mu Jesus or you stupid obi him say hey me ba I'm just a few minutes chere mu nyansa pe say yes agro na budi ogana agro ene wo Christopher moni so moni masofo na agro wo moni so
Yeah, there's a man who never believed in religion. Yeah. He never believed in the God of religion. It is so. He doesn't need a book to tell him there is God. Sure. Many they agree. He is a critical thinker. Abraham Ben Moshe. Common sense family. All right. Okay, he was born a Muslim, but you know now his vision. Footballer, and so died to hope a Christian. Asantini na titi ni tionwa unimini mission. Ono so un trophy say on your politician. Etiana ye different Rabbi Eli Pastor Lee. Asem no fa biemu kinkanya only competition. Osaika kasa hodo BBT se Bengali. Onyankopon ishra no eti or occupation. Yati akane ho nsem bebre ba you know. Onompo de emfa ho so he know the ball. The more you hit, God bless him so.
So I'm Bishop Obini. Near more no. Say odi for me to be yemu half one and the Jesus or you stop it. Hey. Near my no. So odi for me to be yemu half one. Jesus you stop it. But yet to and the bino so some pampa there, e bino so to be there. And you change the way. Oh yeah. And I'm Jesus you stop it. And entia or the Jesus dino any Nyankopon na only ko the die jimi onya the way. Yes. Opa onko jimi 120. Oh yeah. You see why African power is the best? Only also with Jimmy found 20 Jimmy. So I'm not creating that God in the Bible doesn't exist. Now or existing part. Only the book only to be someone said he black. You got from said, Right. Hebrews chapter 10, verse 31. Only one of the compensation and coupon one. Munyan only one local journey. Moses came to me and stand. Elijah came to me. Now, can I?
Hebrews chapter 10.
David, you crack. Hey, bloody. Yeah. Why lock you? Why lock is a minute? So, I'm here for still crack and well. Me, yes, of Juma still. And come on. Can I?
Hebrews chapter 10.
Hebrews chapter 10.
Verse number 30 coming.
Hebrews chapter 10, verse 30.
Yeah, what's not you name or can't say?
You name or can't say.
Me not return me.
Me not revenge, I return me.
Not me not metuaka.
Na me, na metuaka.
Nebu.
Red be
puni my attain.
And I didn't put in my attain.
Verse number 31.
Verse 31.
What's on your coupon chassis and in some share ehu?
Onyan coupon what Tiasiam means so share a day. It is a fearful thing to fall in the hands of the Lord.
Yeah.
Hebrews chapter 10, verse 31. Where they invented.
Yeah.
Sanyan coupon, Oko walk from Dimwa. Yeah, no way. Oko can't come with Dimwa. Yes. Go to the because he doesn't exist. Obi na inventing. After Konam, now chapter 1. Now Kobi baby I say Obi say Bible book you why you now 16. Mo Bible no book back we now Obi aka solid fit bra ye wo. Na phone call to now brother. Now 16.
Now chapter 1.
Now chapter 1
verse number 6.
Verse 6. Was in Kenya
was in one of which they book through no any.
Okay. People are breaking that problem no more ready.
Verse number 5.
Verse 5.
Verse 4 coming.
Verse 4.
Was it Otiatian Apple Emmanuel?
Or say Yanko Potiatian Apple reader. Otiatian Emmanuel.
No man is to see now me.
Now Oma is to see now me.
Basa any camel etwin trying.
Basan any camel etwin cham.
Lebanon tree so etwin trying.
Lebanon tree so etwin cham.
Verse 5.
Verse 5.
Was it me Paul suit nim.
Or say Yanko Poba. Say Yanko Poba. Anka woba and people and wusu on the nim.
Na enkuko hono.
Na enkuko ehono.
Asasema na wosu e won nim.
Asasema na wosu on Yanko pen.
Ni wiase ni emutifo nyina.
Any wiase ni emutifo nyina.
Verse number 6.
Verse 6.
Was when no be the bohuo no enimu.
Why you go to me gina Yanko pon ebufuo no nim.
Na when no be sori tia the bufu no.
Na why no be sori tia Yanko pon ebufuo. Na say Yanko pon Yanko pon wa obi be to me stand them. But obi ni wan ka so be stand Yanko pon ebufuo.
Okay.
Enti pato ye gina ni ho. You will understand the basis. Mobia for cement. Who's running Uncle Pancabas? Who's running Uncle Pancabas or Babesia? And abused women.
Oh, yeah.
Not that one paying for yet. Maybe I'm saying blah 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 blah. Oh, yeah, blah blah. After the passport I read. Oh, yeah. Now, put me a chance. Say you can use a back. Make what I said, if you are coming.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. Now, me pay you can now, but you be quite a little more. You try to Someone nyansa endi munim na abro obi mame me amana so cement back say for forces spiritually woman go to no ma we any jimi sam any before you jimi we problem ka say obi chi broni. I'm not against the white man. Brainwashing the hammer. Na go funi mu nyansa tell you better. Good people any more say. A deep father make people. No man what see. No me ado for. Who so answer. And how they move to. Many of them would deep for make it the would think that obey you says here. That ya. Any say now go pon strike no. So akwaje dura.
No obi odi aduro ye adwuma hwe nipa marini Kumase hwe nipa wo Kumase Tema Accra eti wu Jesus Christ of Nazareth wo betra mama di nipa wi go gubu nsam chen Jesus me hye wo bufuo ma bufu na kume na say ye wu dimi wu tumi na me ye adwuma dia obi o wota mu ha bia no ya na pisa dia ma no amen na say ye wu di any who do me na me ya chuma dia Yesu peja me ni obi asa I receive peja me ni masofo sa I receive mami dini kwasuro sa
so kwasi aso ba ni bia na mesri ye say nyankopon kuno Jesus is striking that God doesn't exist me start to judge Jesus at that pay me message mu Jesus bi ani ho mu nyankopon no ni ho e na ma ne lesson aka say mu nyankopon no so power on me dem o me ba okay ka Jesus best strike obi aka me no so o ni ba bia o e na man for dim dini jimi mo sa Accra where we need na aka say wo don a na aka say wo kan ko hwe na say di papa pentro ese no ko Jesus Christ na member say Jesus ko na member say and Accra be na hwe wa bro ni pa no ro mo say Accra ba je wa je dia ma e is can achieve your mo Exodus chapter 23 verse 2 mo Bible na mu ni mu e fi nyansa so abom e jimi mo say Bible na we share fear nyansa so awuni can no ntie
Exodus 23
we are here to enlighten the people
verse number 2
common sense family me Abraham bin Moshe me mom wo didi atano strong one me I am here to enlighten the wise goat not to entertain I am here to enlighten the wise sheep not to entertain crazy goats I am here to enlighten the wise sheep not to entertain crazy goats code na no kase Jesus kase Matthew chapter 25 verse 31 oni papa ne beba no be boa sheep enyan no egu ni nifa na dem ponche no egu ni benku enyan no be nyan kwa emponche no ko bu nsam je me ni nipa mu no mo na e religion e control mo no entina dia ohwe mo so no ye friend the shepherd or your shepherd and the members na mu ye nyan who you gang because on person jim everything I say emponche no e le be nyan kwa because aponche na nya ye den enti yan no wona ye wo dwan na wa dwan ye adwuma no ye munti ne wa na ya mabo free enyanti bienim abadani nipa I am here to enlighten wise sheep not to entertain crazy goats Be black kind
wasi me din padu chi
masa be black the man na me hotu o dem ne basa man ye gbambo de le keta kan
wasi me din padu chi kwa ebone
okay men din padu chi na kwa ye dan kwa ye bone say obi agye dinti say obi anti no your God doesn't exist chai I ba ko so Reverend Bofo dem travel
I am the charismatic dog shadow.
No doubt about that.
Any challenger?
No challenger.
It's my time.
It's your time.
Till I die.
It's your time.
I've taken over.
And you are showing God. Power.
Taking over, we dey go higher. Taking over, we dey so gaga. Taking over, we dey go higher.
Taking over, and I therefore go see. Adam, no matter religion, Jimmy Musa. One member should go on. Yeah, and then they shut up. Your board was so them. It's okay. Oh, Hannah, wait, Mrs. I'll video with you. But ha, no, I come. I said, I was support. Believe, Kudum Dadam Didi. Yeah, they also said, hey, I'll video with you. What the no, I come. I said,
will be a cabin will be what you must say. We have to be a year. And rather see many dollars, many for 15,000. And you wouldn't rather person, yes, I did animal. Rather see many for 15,000. Will be a short seat, 100 Ghana city. Will be a short seat, 100 Ghana city. The mobile money is to see her.
I'm sure one can number in the why? Mobile money number no Timisrawa 100 Ghana. Why? You be my money, you be my papa, you be my mama, and a down patch of bet me after why?
You be my down for me and so what problem? The 100 Ghana city mobile money no. We are no friend. We are the 100 Ghana. Why 100 Ghana and swam out back?
On my pay the number, Mr. Bishop Obini, or Pambo, Reverend Buffalo, I can see support. My police phone was a serving now, some phone doors. Again, computer, I'm in the edge of. I couldn't chat. More lock your woman than the virgin pastor. You lock your woman now. Address them. Oh, we're from a religious genealogy.
Oh, yeah.
Even if Christianity, definitely, we're no so of it. We're no so of it. Majiatu say Christianity. I blame your Jesus. Where is he? In his name, stupidity. Say, Anani and Mr. Failure, Echo Thomas Assay, and then I put strike you. What is the same Jesus when these people are fooling in his name and in your God's name? Why, sir? Nobody is seeing your son. Why? Sabe. Then, sir, you see, you're going to crack near to us. Where are part one? Yeah. Part two, neighbor. CSF, neighbor. Why? For the Mamina Kwaba, I'm saying, what the question crack. Yeah. And we are the second part of the topic. I just said the house of God and I said the house of your pastor or your prophet.
Yes.
Now I'm going to come to second segment where so for could be any so for Usubempa. Now Sabi, I'm young mofra.
Oh, Debbie.
Until the make a piano, Sabi Shemeka say, Debbie American. So for could be or your papa. So for Usubempa or your papa. But I say, I have to be braba yatiti bia no montokwa so for Usubempa say we disowning no. Now we have a candidate, now we have a can and check and so for could be the babu ye. I yatiti the name free so for Usubempa the camp.
Yeah.
Double yet the young family. But no much yes, say a Juman, a old Juman, oh, yeah. One say a do baby, or some woman we young Juman, Mamma down. Mamma down. Not some Muslim young Juman, we yeah. More Singapore, more members, more adofo, more people are almost sure say more than was a G a foot to where they everywhere. Now only this young answer, any a foot to everyone, oh Bob baby and Koyi. Nancy and the battle just a Sunday, so for Usubempa, a gay, a free, so for Kubi, the camp. Say young crow, meaning, make who is some opinion, make us say young crow. Need opinion, a young catch to me. Nipa no watch charge no otie the kasa 7 adwe no ya fa detector of error apese na yas kasa o se enestopoku 7 on me die na my menses e na me nyinse excuse me when we oba o ye menses ya won me da obemi nse da cheche sem tro bi na wutwa wo na ebra so for Usubempa ka say o ma be jo nanado e be ye president obey no so for could be the camp at the can send nature say ya won crofo bi omo I saw them and Christianity mu and konsafo they roam from churches to churches. Yes. Omo so for na nte kakra no mafiri na chi no mo ba so for we ho no mo na nte kakra no mafiri we chi no mo ko so for we ho o be so ye yam djuma be careful with those people. And now the so for we na wo kwate wa so oh, the deal with Yakon. You're this is a we are able to friend. No more say on the sofa. Let me catch some answer. What do you answer? So for now, what's in the Nassau? Oh, say, I saw from members need you crowd stories Bremen. Some may say I'm not here for personal attack.
Yes.
Me any part. Make me a mistake. Make me your baby and get a number phone. Make me your business number phone. Make me a be me asem me nipa me for high personal attack but the adam it's a so for Usubempa ka say na na be me am can say a prediction nyam commission prediction because perfume you look obobo na say ba akobo na ho do be bi ni a we nyam commission tie dey free so for could be camp by am be kafa so for Usubempa the commission montie na dey access say nyam djuma na wo ye na personal business ya wo emma bi so omo nam sofo we nchen no mo sofo we ho omo kwa na bia ko date sofo no na bia dan ya soli mpanyimfo no mo gibu secret e na o sofo na sofo ketwa bi efri sofo bi nchen e ba wo ho no the sofo ni secret brew na o de ne ye ba ko na wa adwen o say abrantie e de sofo we secret abran me nya o de be ye wo they send to political parties.
Yes.
Obi a political party no say me jai ma be dwen ne mo no the other party emu nsamo bra wani age
conservative
me enye me na me intelligent me smart ya aka me budget li kura no amanfo yi ma me enya problem but abi justly asome na ase me na so many years also ni me chi bi omu a problem na wo problem bi ani we are not enemies one man send message you are replying ebi frame na jetly dina ha on means baby di watem me ko twa video no so a enya tem didi bi akasa no send ya ko na wo ani nje ho ba me metem ase because ya say woni obi nam na wasesa ni gidie anti bro yen hie nyansa ye ni penya problem na woni obi secret ya e no nkyerɛ sɛ fa gu ni mu ase ba kyerɛ be hu so woni obi secret nti ko no o ya sa kura woni mu nyansa sɛ me betena we na me di obi secret ya minim abetena no ma be kan indirectly we can say abrantie me be na me nya careful esan say so who is secret ya or the bechi that's why me I live my life I don't have secret everything I do is open me ko ma pa me ma na eko me brother na ti me ko ma pa o the bechi you be the secret wow pa me former wife na mama na friend bisa me fa get pet na me say me get me machine ye me na use o ti asieja o ti asieja that's me. Learn how to live a life without secrets.
Oh yeah.
There me call club me call club me call with fame. Me obi ko do a church no ko pe ko na ba bi atale. Wo ya be. We nyai tie. Ya na we so for anante we bi am sika da obi ko ato card ya chewo da obi wa wo ko to obedin ono ko to we say leaders nyema your fame e ma ye nkoda a wo free ya se am ko say ye din ne ya pa obi on yire kura we si ko de dey outdoor kura woni bi so for na ye che obi di so for bi ate e so car kura so for na toma woni obi be duru baby na mu dem tete ya e no nche se ko say bi din
Debi
and then the people like here and then the Yahuda here I say you to me esi ni ntemu atete and no nche se me pa people like mbesi anya and na people like nko didi matemu baby say people like the secret no obeka on me na no on frame nka nche say jai de wo ye na de wo ye na enye na wo anya sa na frame nche ko kan wo nkasa wa dwi ni adu ti
nkofo bu kutwa luto no obi akotwa na aba de wa aba betoro na ato Uhushi the nation kusu. Uhushi I can't get a bit and a fire.
But to get to the stand to say, what, you must it.
I information when you are in Tiana, the person uncommon. The information when you are in Tia. Now, young Casabi, when young information in your source, a queer diaso MPP for the fact. And into like a casa and some Uhushi, Yaminka Santarano. I'm telling you, comparison kakra. Could be my prophet. The part of ocean come Namikan me okay. I saw can say, I couldn't na adutia. Then so said the ya or befa. Said the ya or befano and what you say. And then maybe one was bricky and sana. Nana be proud of the year of my penny. One face should be a set or as Freddy say, Nana do to me fat, but was I couldn't any but said the ya or befa. Sa Santa Casa no kind. Was it Apunyano, a Nana Bidia, then so said the ya or befa. The Pamuja prophecy. Enti asama Reverend Manobedi could be a client. Enti no says of Fanny Usu Bako Janoka medical to be some. But when you meet, what is for? Because I am the person of could be passed through Jean Timby and Tilly, we have a full. When you pay for content, Kasai, and now Asumjin, I buy. When the Kasai, we are and the Monday, and also for Usu Bako TV, so you so, a satisfied or fair Casa. But just a one of when you need to come out from the phone when you move back as I am. One very young woman and waiting was our threatening. And the question we see and come on, say, I didn't know Ubano or Passing J, what is the food that you could do what is what as someone. You will say, I was say, already want to make some no she. Still, what the Buddha needed the mouth was what I said one can she, when Nina made a coupon, only a smile, say, or money changing.
Abusiado when na in the name of Nyamijuma when na in the name of Nyamijuma afa diaba na ye problem na kasa ni diaba e ye problem pa ye wie na mabose de so for usu be paso be defend na ho okay tie na ye hwa de why eye ya say obi odi to wanim as Nyaminipa na another Nyaminipa a wo say Nyaminipa ba ko ase About out, about cassette, Sasso for Bakuni again. You didn't say it, you didn't say it in Bassi. Never push up the can about Conibano, or Kunibano, and the other trust. Basabi, one young people with Jesus and Ancasa. Even if they exist, they've given up on you people. I can't.
The Cowboys are also say, me battle with that. The Cowboys are say, O Janamian, or better my fat, snap, because she had the Bible. And the end is say, one Framian setting or phone so, one can't tell so many room. Pisano, you can't stop out. And I won't have anybody, and I can go see the Bible. One also why bosom for one couple.
And I won't Kosua. Go I
want bosom for one couple standing home. And I'm assuming something from the Bible and town because one to away with cap.
Would let me be some patron, but Wadalma. Yenny Sadian in Frimian Tiasam Wankasa, Mr. Why?
Assembling you, the patrol assembling you, and you land.
Achimata mo Dennis you.
And suffocate your hobby. I was Atimota more. It's that now opening any problem. And I love the flag, I say. Asamono, Yen Castle, Mayan Casama, Usubempa. Now, Usubempa, wounds and why fucking why you fall papa. Love in the Catray. Or friend, what more famous of credit say. Mayan Usubempa, and Solintia will be. Now, Usubempa wounds and why fucking the Usubempa fair. Or then I could have been a friend Mariam, anyone. Usubempa man 220 million. So one for go rule last year. The Usubempa wounds and one yet. Then I could have die. I want to kitchen. And Mama just never told so.
And some way in Anna or no social was say, Nakoda, any prophet Bedukubi. Nasadi way in Anno sono, Wonam na wo ye,
any love, you know. And I started when I was one love, it still radio to say, or something man of Bedukubi. Now, who is the good papa? Or don't say, yes, we again, any ya. Now, what do you know, my TV to say? Or something man, I do go to the belly flu. I'm the set now for the down. Already, already down. On the other young. Or you know, my thing is to say, or something man, I don't know. Everybody is there to defend his master. Someone Obi to the back, so by attacking Ghana, and Ghana military, and also defend Ghana.
But who defend her? Who defend her? Who defend her? Who the game be defend Bedukubi?
And then get no could have had somebody with 250 million Ghana.
Sabra no compare dia wo ho. Sabra no ko ye den wo ho.
Na me kware ke pa abuja. Me to ko no ka ta ta tip kan e ma ne ba ni wo e wo fie. Na me ba ni tre pa wo no ka ta so fa fun fe me say apia bra mi hiawo. Ana me bi wa me frɛ na me ne ka sa wo se ne bra fie. Na me kware ke wo fie. Ni obi a minimum no. Na me kware ke wo fie.
Me ba ma me musa kwesi we. Papa o su be mpa. Se wo ko na sorry a na se wo ye council ni ade ade a ya na nipa atwa ho ahia. Ni fie nso mbadwuma di se bia saa na ebete environment bai ena na unini ne nu gina afre wo asempa acho ba modern na bra so no wa asofo nketo ho a wo ye dama
me da se me nko ne nche kwa mo fo bi me gina hoda me ko ne nche last one kwa bi mi nko ne to
Jebusia mo amosha ewa me na me pese me boni na mo amosha we anyini mgba sese anyini mgba sese enti wo hwe de wa papa ne ka asem na opese ka de ne te se de sofo husu bempa eye ni ti asofo ku bi ni nti e no mo so be ka asem no na wo a wo tumi tena ho na mo anu se mo ye nyamedwuma na wo kwatena ho e ba be ka se obi eneku ne ba e yi asole a enkoyi no obi so tena se e be ka se sofo ba ko ye ge a enye mo na mo gum nyankopani mu ase afei de wo kasa no wo se so gini mudi a yemfa kosua ne snap na ene bible afei de kosua ne snap aba wo se mo nyankopani tumi ni ho age kosua ne snap me na maka no wo a wo ni na wo bi we jimi se na ba so me de kosua ne snap be se wo ne wase me na ba se me ma moti ase ne se o be ka ma se maka de no kore o kene no kra me ma be pacha na wo ni ko pe ba bi te ko create story adi be say mi medical siane snap na mi body ani wo fie o eno e che me faka akwantoa woni say Ghana de antoa ne kan nya me na chechere o ya me faka akwantoa ho live do no we am the wasefo ne descendant na sandas because it is becoming too much no amusimo ye nyamedwuma na we guni nyonko ni mwase from the camp of Usu Bempa, from the camp of Sofo Kubi, from adana mu gunya nko pene mwase sa munyai wow the youth na ba ne mmofra na ba omu na kuta phones omu na social media they are fed up with religion not because of my teachings because of what you pastors are doing and yet munyai and the Musan Crofona more than who I saw them conconsa for munyai I saw them conconsa police all the so for Usuben Packer said some Crofon almost you prophet Ebenezer on the banner almost you Ebenezer about a year ago all channel when you won't because of Mr. Sam Crofon all banner all the two who wants some of the enemy over the 2 years of for Ketwana was so for paying the truth for then a year and I'm paying you for the experience. When I saw them, a man, a war was so fussy, a was so for the was a moonlight, everywhere listening, everywhere people, a fear your womb, a museum your womb. Ghana for God go today, a bit of bravo one. That fed before when you know, the back woman actually say, who will before I say, me a Pamosa, a Jimmy Samuel. Jimmy Samuel, people are for Bible quotations in one Bible and Cassandra, one of them who are Bible, now who's young and some from Bobla. Now the who couldn't help upon Jesus and was it. And maybe I'm defending Jesus and your God. You are disgracing Jesus and your God too much. Mama Antichrist, if one promise happening, Antichrist, get your jet to the Antichrist. Me put him in Antichrist, me Bonsam Lancasa. More than Bonsam, who are Miami. Bonsam, no way, me Magiatu. Mona Mufrem, when you're Mindipa. Again. One more Jim and Messika. Mudi May Gusso, Saturday when you want. Remay Gusso. Nipa get up or carpet, Muslim Brunindia, and G. Musica. That all themselves good when you must say. Okay, you don't know the media any explanation. Who the media and what they will disgrace you. That's all for the one. Baby, I thought you were a radio station. Baby, I thought you now you train. Who when you was you? I want to go to YouTube. No more monetizing. I'm a radio station for my friend. I'm a theater. What I want to know, how do you make the gross at the church? Or go radio station, or go creative joke, or go to YouTube. Now go for no more Jessica. What I want to know. And sorry, from this church to this church, from this church to this church. Exodus chapter 23 verse 1. We are going to concern was all the material. Where we see we are going to concern yet. Be black, but try fast.
Exodus 23.
See, I'm giving the Bahamis. The brain must work. I'm going to up to December. We took a climate by the Tonyama. December. Boom. The brain is workaholic. Seminar. The brain is workaholic. I've been the
Exodus 23:1.
Exodus chapter 23 verse 1.
Was it in Tia Atisimuno?
Well, a common sense. Main Tia Atisem. Or also say so for Usuba by again, no startation. No one, no can. So for could be the Kuniba. No, so more than a Ebusia. I'll be a movie evidence. Man, that's now one day. Any Facebook bloggers now, more than more judges. We piano the best no what can was it. Obeka ye neutral. Yes, I would know. So because here we my back where or can about. Or you fine. Or you neutral. Says I am cry. So obi ono be ya identify assembly security now. Yes. Can you say
was in tia atise hunu?
Men tie atise hunu.
Na any obone for this house wo.
Na any obone for nya dey. In this house wo. But what tie brofo no. Mo no Bible me dey tell free. Where free education. Na dey no here dey time in the name of God.
Was do not spread false rumors.
Do not spread false rumors. Maybe. Afi, wait, James 1:26. Verse way. Common sense. The book in Cassandra Assembly, you are tapping. One a moon. What's also Yankopon? Now one yo. Mimi haba. Bra, Nipano, Henry.
James chapter 1.
James chapter 1.
Verse 26.
Verse 26.
Was it on your donny hotie?
On me and dog any hotie. You free preaching on the channel. Kind.
What's so obvious to say?
Share. Also, we can't say we Christian here. We see us all there. We not Bible. Maybe you need to book. Ɔsi obi su sɛ.
Ɔyɛ onyamesumni.
Wadwi yɛ ɔsɛ wusi asɔ dɛm. Woyɛ nyamesumni.
Na watu tɛkyɛ ma nareka.
Na wanto wo tɛkyerɛ ma na wanfa padlock anto wanu a. Nemu.
Wɔdada na kuma.
Wo dada wa kuma sɛ deɛ obehu bia ɔbɛka.
Sa onipa yi.
Sa onipa yi.
Nyamesum ɛyɛ kwa.
Nyamesum yɛ kwa. Kan wiem no tie.
Wɔsɔ obi su sɛ ɔyɛ nyamesum.
Black bɔbɛs no na kenkan na yɛn ba bɛn.
Yo, James 1:26.
James 1:26.
So obi su sɛ ɔyɛ nyamesumni.
Sɛ wadwi yɛ ɔsɛ woyɛ nyamesumni, woyɛ sɔfo, woyɛ prophet. Woyɛ nyamesumni.
Na watu tɛkyerɛ ma nareka.
Na wanfa padlock anto wo tɛkyerɛ ma.
Nemu ɔdada na kuma.
Nemu wo dada wa kuma.
Sa onipa yi.
Sa onipa yi.
Nyamesum yɛ kwa.
Nyamesum yɛ kwa. Nyamesum kɔnkɔnsɛni. You are wasting your time. Woyɛ bɔnsam agent in the church. Mina meka ne kyerɛw. Ma wei Leviticus chapter 19 verse 16.
Leviticus 19
verse 16.
Verse number 16.
Yɛ mo yɛ na kan na mo nyai. Yɛ wie na sofo wusu bɛmpa ne nkyere mu no yɛ tie. Na yɛ de aba wie yɛ CSF wo bɛ dwani business na ɛna eflo wo top no. Wo nya quantum pendant na ma no na esu ase hɔ. Ɛno ano no edwuma no yɛ network marketing.
Yeah.
Teaching na nyɛ adwuma ho. Ɛyɛ hobby. Many people like ne yahuda. Teaching na nyɛ adwuma ho. Ɛyɛ hobby. Me ka say the be go kan be dwan. Bible apruto. O si uji hu dia me na ma na esu. O ya fe debate. Em pastor le penyi, em pe shaking material.
No, David.
Ti apa afre. But be to pa. Kai
Leviticus 19:16.
Leviticus chapter 19 verse 16.
Was enchi unkrofo mu edi sekulu.
Ada na yesa. Menchi unkrofo mu edi sekulu.
Na men so ntia oyonko moja.
Men so ntia oyonko moja.
Me dey ready.
Hey, tia. Proverbs chapter 10 verse 18 and 19. Common sense in your Bible. Concern police or tia so them. Tie.
Proverbs 10.
Proverbs chapter 10
verse number 18.
Verse 18.
Verse number 18.
Yeah, Proverbs 10:18.
Was it the okata ni tan so no?
Or say the okata anytime so no.
Or atro ano.
Or atro.
The okata ni tan so no.
The okata anytime so no.
Or atro ano.
Or atro ano.
Na the otre no no.
Na the otre no.
E kwasia.
Kan verse 19.
Verse number 19. Was it info in pa okasa hudu mu.
Proverbs 10 okay.
Proverbs chapter 10. Yeah.
Verse
18 coming.
Kan 19 no.
19 no. Was it info in pa kasa dudu mu.
Enfumso empa kasa dudu. O pe kasa too much. Jai. Enfumso empa kasa dudu mu.
Na osan kana no no.
Na de osan kan na no.
Ye onimdifo.
Ye onimdifo. Yeah. Kan brofo na me 18 and 19. Nye bibia ne yeka. Ye wo secret bi ye obi ye wo ehu and ye wo oka. Ye wa give you, that's why you were given 2 eyes and 1 mouth. Watch more, speak less. You were given 2 ears, 2 eyes. When we talk to you 2, the mouth is 1. Listen more, watch more, breathe more, talk less. What do you mean? Did you have your cat? Oh, you told me you wanted. Oh, first I don't want that.
Fine.
Proverbs
chapter 10.
Ona na obi ni obi re ko hotel. Watch more. Shut up. Kai
Proverbs 10:18.
Proverbs chapter 10 verse 18.
Was anyone who hides hatred?
Anyone who hides hatred
is a liar.
Is a liar.
But anyone who spreads gossip.
Anyone who spreads gossip
is a fool.
Is a fool. Maybe pian yeka. Why? Proverbs chapter 11 verse 13.
Proverbs 11:13.
Kai
Proverbs 11:13.
Finish. You hear, you not hear.
Yeah.
You see, you not see.
Yeah.
Don't talk.
Yeah.
Who they want me? Kai
Proverbs 11:13.
Proverbs chapter 11 verse 13.
Was in Sinkuni the nam eyi intasemedi.
Kokonseni one nam and oyi what the upper baby let me concern. A common sense family ladies.
Yeah.
Pamela Brown that deleting Cecilia. I go for me was a group. CSF ladies. Manya kokoro risky dollar. Who be Jimmy or group ni. Kofa will be once a two group ni. Who be what the legs. So we do 10. CSF ladies. They know the rich 10.
Oh yeah.
We think about ourselves.
Proverbs 11:13.
Proverbs chapter 11 verse 13.
It's a kuni nam yi intasemedi.
Kokonseni onam eyi secret yedi.
Na nokra hom kata asem so.
Na nokra hom e kata asem so. We be fie go be secret. No wa kata so. Me ba be black, me hu ni sinto, me hu ni mistake, me na me kata so. Me to me baleful. Me hu yawo da mistake. me bɛn we miss bɛn me ko hu ni secret bi a ɛnyɛ yɛ ntɛmu atete no ne ma ba bɛtena ha woyɛ saa wadwe nyɛ adwuma wonim nyansa wo ne aboa ne sɛ be aboa ko ne nyansa kyɛ ba cha aboa ni konkon who NDC and we jay NDC and we call MPP and didn't know the Jomama personal life and Papa said we MPP with MPP about NDC now go private life and also family I did it before they think about themselves una be you true one una to so hey una be you gear and for be una be share trousers here wa papa aka dia fa ho be obi pe die mia and obi pe bola papa pombola we news David bia ya beka Hebla Hebanya wono Proverbs chapter 11 verse 13
was isenkuni ni nam yi intase wedi
bro follow Proverbs 11:13 Abraham seven previous aminiano e Christopher ni bi tie statement no e Christopher ni bi yen san kire mo Bible mu na yen san kire mo fie nyansa nka ho ana ana mama me blessa free education mama me bless too much so yen nyansa so for ni jimia Jan, person for the Nyansa na kwa naso. Simple. Even if you want to join religion, person for the Nyansa. Na kodi nichi. People like kind.
Proverbs chapter 11.
Verse number 13.
Verse number 12 coming on.
Thank you, P Black.
Was it is foolish to speak scornfully.
P Black we are more wa. Oh, P Black person. What's the P Black no be verse ni mo. Oh, akini ya juma. Oh, me nada. We told you can shut up no say Nyansa sem bi wo wa. No de guma na P Black. Eno no say. What kind?
Verse 12.
Proverbs chapter 11. Me go to me verse 13 no. Ono ba so say. Nyansa sem bi wo to. Ai, we go dai. Ah, we problem you to me Bible reading. We dey be say gently. Bible reader. Oh, your man, one go preaching. Hey, ya bro. You never know why. Can you remember?
Was it is foolish.
It is foolish
to speak scornfully of others.
Oh, it is foolish to speak scornfully of others.
If you are sensible,
you will
keep quiet.
You will keep quiet.
Yeah.
What can you say?
Verse number 13.
Verse 13.
Was it no one who gossips?
Huh?
No one who gossips.
Anyone and no one.
No one who gossips.
Who gossips
can be trusted with a secret.
Can be trusted with a secret.
But you can put confidence.
In
someone who is trustworthy.
Yeah. Say yeah, Juman. Say yeah, William. Say yeah, Bushim. Say yeah, political party.
Yeah.
Say yeah, industry. Say yeah, business. Say yeah, movement. Say yeah, sorry.
Oh yeah.
Good. I saw for me. Some secret they are free. So for men, Joe be in you. So for Keton was a man in you.
Yeah.
Or Quawo. I said, the American. For the Joe Bible read not one and another auto speakers or got in the branch. That's how. Proverbs chapter 16, verse 28.
Verse 16, verse number 28.
Now, so for Usuba, Panis of Fukubi. Oh, yeah, your investigation. And you won't call Anna and say, oh,
yeah.
And you know, and Colana and say, and Tokobi and you, and Colana, the waste material, oh, beautiful relationship. Now, consent, Yaseno.
Oh.
Also, so for Usuba, a your fan camp. Also, for Kubi, a your uncle. I'm not here to attack them. Mom, you which in Muslim answer. The mom would be a stop for it in which Jimmy to go. Said the Bino. Never yet, I'm not for the Yamada.
Yeah.
Continue, baby. Number one, you're going to church members. My one, you're going to church members. The Pema, me didn't say the Pema. Yeah. Get me, you didn't let you Java. Me didn't say gay, Yana down. Now, my for pocket candle ID. So for you, just to can I. Woman, that's here, say you go preach about walk there. I go preach a member by for back one. We see, hey. There is Jimmy, yeah, announcement.
Yes, I.
Hey! And Yamia Jumana, we had to say, hey. Yamia Jumana, we had to say, Jumana, we had to say. Hey, Uribi! The belly I can say, Uribi! Ubu Bobby! The Baba, oh, yeah, one Abana. Yes, I go pay more big now. Hey! Oh, repeat. Oh, what is the audio? Or do one chassis? People are canning
Verse 16.
That brother, a radio friend will be a normal business. People are canning them.
Verse 16 to 28.
Proverbs chapter 16, verse 28.
Was Onipa Kontonchi takra wo jim.
Onipa Kontonchi eshe takra wo jim.
Na asumsem keni.
Asumsem keni.
Titin na fontem.
People are canning you.
Was Onipa Kontonchi takra wo jim.
Onipa Kontonchi backbiter. Eshe takra wo and to kwana edumo no ketegu. So for usubempa and so for kubi asemi anka edumo wasa ko for dia ba eshe takra wo jim
na asumsem keni titin na fontem.
Na asumsem keni etitin na fontem. Why? Proverbs chapter 20 verse 19. Manishu
verse 20.
Yes.
Verse number 19.
Verse 19.
What's in the Ochinity Securo?
The Ochin Edin Securo.
Is it in Tassamedi?
In Tassamedi.
90 and found embody or train a numu.
And found what or train a numu.
Yeah.
Proverbs chapter people can you.
Verse chapter 20.
Verse 19.
Verse 19.
That's your brother.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, for us on Tiasi. People can hear about them.
Was the Ochidi in Securo in Tassamedi?
The Ochin Edin Securo in Tassamedi.
It's a found body or train a numu.
And found what or train a numu. Yeah. Or your parents and Kevian brother. Probably free when channel.
Verse 2019.
2019.
Was it a gossip can never keep a secret?
A gossip can never keep a secret.
Stay away from people who talk too much.
Stay away from people who talk too much. Oduga, hey, people. Dauda. Hey, Charlie. So,
sir.
What you make Yanka?
They Nungwano.
Oh, say you.
Oh, and
sir.
Oh,
sir. Last week.
Last week, yeah.
Oh, Frank.
Frank
boy na no kakaka.
I boy tenteno.
What is the between when you?
Oh, asemu.
Na bobo so o tenenka.
Bob, the back man am tenenka.
Da no ewi o.
Oh, Bob bien.
O ewi o.
Eh, won so no no. O kwaro di biaba.
Say ya kika.
Asemu.
We ni pen na. We ni pen na kika. Say ni pen important. Ade. Mo ti asese. Obi ya asori a enye urade bia na afre ono ano ye na dwuma.
Oh yeah
Say Yankopon na afre no wo ko power ho e na me na me powerful me na urade afre me a God should settle the dispute. I say one Yankopon na so and Jesus Christ so ho da say e di fo mu nya na mu say di Jesus encourage na Christian Council of Churches so mo chi wo di na mo hwe mo no mo gum eni mo sepoto Bible no Yankopon no wo no he doesn't exist. Assembly Yankopon si for beso we. What is that God?
Sure.
Numbers 12 what kind?
Numbers chapter 12.
Unya time Numbers chapter 16 kind ni na. Korah, Dathan, and Abiram. Esoritia Moses. Almost Yankopon fi so be here beso we. That God doesn't exist. And the people take his name and then do what you are seeing. Kind
Numbers 12:1.
Numbers 12:1.
What you see? Miriam and Aaron kaseti Moses.
Miriam and Aaron e kaseti Moses.
So
the urade afre no a omo kaseti am say me urade afre no. The same thing.
Yeah.
Kayen.
Say Owali Ethiopia ni baby.
Say Owali Ethiopia ni ba. Moses aye mistake omo beka. Ke the urade ye. Na be say ade we e wo ho ana. It is a myth. Enter me catch am say any God whose supernatural powers and miracles are only seen in a book and not in reality is equal to the God who never existed. The God of religion and your Jesus never existed. So people can fool in their names and they are quiet.
What if you say?
If you say
no, Owali Ethiopia ni baby.
No Moses, Owali Ethiopia ni baby.
Now I can say.
No I can say.
Moses kusina na mkasa na.
No me can say na Moses. Won ko amoso na urade. Tete mo go Moses charge. Won ko amoso na urade and am the kasa.
Na on fire so nkasa.
On fire yenso enkasa because Nyankopon ko Israel or the perform yensa na call. You Moses, Aaron and Miriam. E wo Mika anameboa. E wo Mika. Wow. Mika 6.
There's two coming.
So what you eti omo bot ye na na afra ye nti say ya sofo ye ya ke the Bible na kan
na raditi
e na Nyankopon ti na say the ekosu say Nyankopon wate a so ye the same thing na raditi
na obelma Moses die
na obelma Moses die
oju PC ni power sin na so
won say Moses na jero won so bi na jero dia she Moses also obelma Moses die numbers say Moses na jero na obelma Moses die na oju che wiase ni kana
Awurade ka kyerɛ Mose ne Aaron
ɛna Nyankopɔn si fam kyerɛ Moses ne Aaron
ɛne Miriam mpofrim sɛ
ɛne Miriam mpofrim sɛ
mo miɛnsa mo mfiri di mpere hyia so madana no
mo miɛnsa mo mpimbra asɔda
na wɔn miɛnsa no firi di
ɛna mo miɛnsa no firi di
Awurade sane mununkum dum mu
ɛna Nyankopɔn sane mununkum we book mu na gu it doesn't happen it is a myth NC
yeah
ɛna Awurade sane mununkum dum
obegya to madana no
ɛna obegyina asɔda
na ɔfrɛ Aaron ne Miriam
ɛna ɔfrɛ Aaron ne Miriam
na wɔn mienu firi di
ɛna wɔn mienu no firi di
na ɔka sɛ
ɛna ɔka sɛ
munti Awurade nsɛm
munti Awurade nsɛm
sɛ Awurade di fo bi wɔ mu a
wei na mɛma obi nka nkyerɛ sɛ ɔne Angel Gabriel akasa ma obi nka nkyerɛ sɛ Nyankopɔn ne nakasa Nyankopɔn ne obi akasa even according to your Bible sɛ odiifo bi wɔ mu a
adehunu na mma ne hunu me
nti ɔse odiifo bi wɔ mu a ɛyɛ adehunu mu vision mu ɛna mɛma me kume
dem na kasa kyerɛ no
na sɛ ɔda daye mu ɛna mɛkasa de akyerɛ no
ɛnyɛ sɛ makɔ Moses tie no
ɛnyɛ sɛ makoa Moses tie no
wɔde mfie nyina hyɛ ne nsa
Moses me fie nyina hyɛ ne nsa
ano ne ano nam ne de kasa
ano ne ano ɛna me ne kasa
wɔ ehunu mu na ɛnyɛ mebuo mu
ti Nyankopɔn se obi a ɔwɔ ne physical a ɔne ne kasa ɛyɛ Moses
to aso na Awurade suban
na Moses de ɔwɔ ne Nyankopɔn suban
na de na mo nso sɛ bɛkasa tia makɔ
Moses adan na mo nsuro sɛ mo bɛkasa tia makɔ Moses
Awurade bufuo mo
na Nyankopɔn bufuo mo
na osin kɔɛ
ɛna Nyankopɔn si mu kɔɛ
na mo nkum no free ntomadan no so no
na mo nkum no free ntomadan no so
na hwɛ
na
Miriam ayare kwata
na Miriam ayare kwata Bible no say ebinom kasa tia Moses Nyankopɔn ba ebe panishi wo mo eme yehu di tumi adan na we kɔ so Nyankopɔn ne kasa God doesn't exist people can just fool in his name yedi besia kasa dodo we emfunso mpem yedi besia WhatsApp oye Kristo di kra o ye de ma ye dwene mu biom video no san hwe ni biom jibu nyansa na fa bobra na ma adwene nya dwuma na adwene anya dwuma body ne ye be eda mu nyina se why Alliance Motion Global Network Marketing is so so na say WhatsApp send me the business information and I will dey friend number no friend na ye busy a ye adwuma ye adwuma inti na times ya mo fra go bring but mu nya abotre why we na ye hobby and ye teach na wo be so tiansa ye be kono ye tie so fo usu bempa na no yie no o yi ne ho ano no ya edin sey ya aso fo usu bempa e different na futu obi o ma ya ye very good so ye so for tie ha why
say voices bi eni nam ni nsema gudu bi utiatia ye so se han wo ne wo nyame nipa ena sabi eda onu ebe ma basa bi esi bi man fe papa ma na nyi nkyiremu a ensema ehwe aso ene san nam social media ne papa de me ekosu
yo me ba se me chia na ma chia o ma ono mu yo djuma ene KFM etiefo na me ma mu ni djuma so
djuma da so papa
se empenifo ebu de di se be bi an seye duru no entro nuru ho na se de du kembia I am sending you on my percent message so that I feel fit here and the could be so for the could be or more profound pa and mobile on train and then transcend the to me so we crowd was singing in the Benyanada. I will cast if you so the car the Banan Casa the Casai said I mean
but you could be a pa.
There's something that could be. You will prove now.
Okay.
Girl, or no musician, Nipa, no one mother becoming home here. Reverend Kwanyamo, okay, I am a dancing me. Yes, you two are what you see. Now, Papa, a woman say, so sharp, because of this way, which name, I am my gun of women who are sitting correct. Sabi umu mfulu asemi nyina hu se e din se nyame nkanke so eno mde tu mi usu bempa so enu achi sabi me no bi ani ase mitimi do bi badu ko bi ebebi atwemu no ena obefa me ye eja ena me ma ba bo ntia bepa se me mpew ebebi sanse konfo bi ado ho abo wo mo ene ne me bi a wo ye no me ne die untumi enye sanya mane me pame nyaja because ofo na do ho abom no me ka kire se won twe mo ho a on betime affect ministry on betime ma ministry e basa ate e father no no se me tu me ba befo ba me tu no fo amfa
hey radio my kakra bibi ti se bedu ko bi ebe na wutum fuyi enema agbo ben na oyo wutum se sa nema na anhwe be ma ni ministry no aduma awade di adum no ebe bra se bi ti se de ebe ni de ebe de
ebi ti se nkrofo bi a ode no abo wo mo enche ko ebe de bi se na ba kokura de ni dinji tisika enti nkrofo ho ema ebe da social media me turu fo nfitiase no so nhwe sanko kuni no be ko bi obi a me kana sempa na me turu fo no ko fire anka sanye mani nyina nsi se na abrantie ne tene Kennedy no etumi ede sofo be ko bi din Jessica Finkofo yisu be ko bi number sofo be ko bi din fu amano no ne nkofo kasa se be ko bi no de jinko pusika no se be ko bi ni din enti no we na mi hu fitiase no kisa sankofo no no mo Ebenezer adakwa yi adomasori no mu fi no mba akra ha no mu tracing ko mba ba me ho na mi am hu se o mu siban no sebe enya adria o mo ba wonche ben wa ebetimi aboa wo timi de my uteni wo mo enu mu do mani che be ko bi ho 10 timi de mi tu be ko bi fo ene mi amanyema bi a mi ntimi kan kasa fidi so na be ko bi no wenti enam so okay se wontie bi a so ga kama ye jabi ni de enye ye prisa sankofo no on be go asori
okay sankofo no bi a Bible say se won say dia weni ya e bia wa mu fi wutu ni for wenti no ma say for enkofo ni bi ni one a wo fi bia like e bisa adakwa yi adomasori ngan ko mbeso mba wo bi ni one
ene atia ya o se mi di ene Kennedy bia o no so be di matemi sankofo no na